Welcome back to the channel, folks. I know sometimes for most of us life could be hard, right? So I thought about that, and I said to myself, you know what? I think some car edits from, I don't know, TikTok or whatever would help make me feel good or aspire to better things when it comes to my car and my hobby, right? So please let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments, right? Tell me if you like it. If you don't, suggest something that I could react to as well, or I can do with my cars, with my audio system, whatever. Just bring me some suggestions and I'll get back on you, right? So yeah, exactly. So I have to do something like that. Ooh, that's nice. White body. What's that, Lamborghini? No, what? Lamborghini, what? Bro. I bet money that that car is, hold on. We're getting even harder. I bet money that that car is a concept, and when they actually put it in production, it will be less sexier and very expensive, of course. But I don't know, bro. Those wheels are crazy, but the whole car is. Bro, Godzilla. Bro, I never said this, but I'm aspiring to buy myself one of these cars. Godzilla is my car. I'm not trying to get into supercars or whatever. More like budget friendly, but also performance and stuff like that. That's why I have a Volvo, right? Godzilla is the best for me at this time. And it looks bro, with that, hold on, I'm gonna this is a car meet or something, so I'm gonna try to leave the sound on like that, and if anything, if I get a copyright or something like that, I will turn it down. But in the main phase, I think we will be fine. So let's see. McLaren, Benzes, Lambos, nice. So this is a car meet. What? Bro, you are close. You might know what you're doing, but still. Bro, the track is hard. But the Huayra is even harder. Bro, this is... And think about, someone owns a car like this. That beat is fire, bro. Bro. This is insane. And there you go, the M3. We're coming closer to the home to home. That's nice. Yeah. It's not bad. I mean, if you ask me, hold on, hey, that's an upgrade. It's a later, I mean, newer model. If you ask me, I've always liked M3s, how they look, how they, drive and everything. But I was never a Beamer guy. or a Benz guy. I was never. I don't know why. Probably because I'm trying to be different than others. I'm trying to be more unique. This was me my whole life, right? And when I've seen so many people buying these cars and modifying them and whatever, buying these cars, like so many people, I thought to myself, you know what? I'm gonna, I never said I don't like them. I never said something bad about them, because if they were that bad, like, people wouldn't buy so many, right? But what I said was, I'm trying to be a bit different. Like, when I see so many people buying them, it's just too much for me. So I'm trying to be different. That's why I bought Volvo, which, by the way, about 10 years ago, I hated their looks. I'm not joking. I was hating the looks of Volvos. But about 7-8 years ago, I fell in love with them. And yeah, as you all know, C70 T5 was my first love when it comes to Volvo. But yeah. That's nice. That looks sick. And me. Ooh. And we got a Benz now. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Yo, that's sexy. You cannot lie. That's sexy. If you're not into old cars, I get it. Like, each their own, right? But when I see like old cars, but old sexy cars, like the performance cars and stuff like that, that's crazy. I'm in love. By looks, this is one of my favorite, and with some body kit and stuff, wheels, stuff like that, it's crazy. It's insane to me. I really love it. But when it comes to reliability and for me to buy one, I don't think I can buy a brand new one. I'll have to stick to buying a second-hand one, which, by the way, first of all, they're not reliable. Second of all, they've been abused beforehand. So if I'm going to buy one now, I will be out of luck, right? So I'm just looking, and that's it, because they look amazing, like I said, but to own one is a different story. Mango, 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 mango. It's damaging my brain, that music, bro. Also, I never said, only a few people know I love Brazilian and Portuguese music. Well, rap music or trap music. I don't know, it's a different vibe. Me hearing these, I love it. What about that? Rivera, what's this car called? I got sucked into this video with so many nice cars that I just forgot what I'm here for. We actually call, in my country, a big car like a boat. One of them is Rolls Royce, yeah. Bro, this music is insanely loud. Like, really, my brain is damaged. I said I love them, but in original phase, right? Original tracks, not... These are remixes, probably, so... Of course. 4, yeah. That's a good looking car. This is M2 or still M4? Oh, M4, yeah. M2 is a nice-ish looking car. I think it's too small, like the ass is too short. See? Bugatti. I was never a Bugatti fan. I mean, I never said it's not a performant car. I never said it's bad looking or stuff like that. But it's not for me. Even if I was a billionaire, I don't think I will own one of those because it's wasting money. Just an oil change or something like that, right, is tens of thousands of dollars / pounds. Way too much money. When I would be a billionaire, if I would own one of those, I think I'll do the oil change myself. I'll maintain it myself just to save money. Looks nice. That light green, that bright green, sorry, with that dark blue, black. It looks nice. What do we have here? Another Godzilla. Yeah. Wide body. Nice. The cocaine. Ferrari's brother. Nice. Even when I was a little. Oh, I've seen a Volvo badge there. Miata. Oh man, no. I8, nah. First of all, that's not an enthusiast car, hybrid. That's that's a no for me. What we have here? Is that a Supra? Hold on, was that a Supra or it was a? No, that's a Supra. I thought it's a ZX Nissan. Another Godzilla. What, the original? Yeah.
Let's go gambling!
I've seen a Renault? That was actually my first car, ever. Volvo again, yeah. Come on. And 3 and 4. Nice. Sylvia. Okay. Nice body kit, nice everything. We're close to finish. Yeah. Oh, even Porsches. I love Porsches, like GT3 RS. I love them. Probably is my age, but no, I always loved, a nice looking car. And when you think about it, it's a performance car as well. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you call me old or middle-aged, crisis man or whatever. I don't care. It's nice looking. It's very performant. So yeah, sounds good. But nonetheless, this was the video for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I do enjoy seeing beautiful cars like this. But again, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this video? What do you think I should do next? Suggestions or whatever. Please leave them in the comments. And I'll make sure to check them out and answer back. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Again, see you in my next one. Bye.